just said they believe it's firework. From CHS Field.
Oh yeah, could be. That car's driving fast.
Okay.
Jesus.
Let's get the plates before we light them up. If you light them. Getting caught in a red, that's good.
Can you do me a favor? Create a separate channel for me. Just title it APD. Use the same
I think he's gonna wait for that red.
FJD 146.
Code 4. That'd be code 4 at 2305.
No, he doesn't like the color. The light.
Center City. 28 years old.
4156 have a good night at 2305.
You know, it's probably a St. Thomas College student. What do you think?
Chance.
Squad 266. Squad 266. Clear advised, update, comments, 262, 10-8. Copy. 286. Squad 286. I'll be giving a cruiser ride to juvenile female from our location to 1301 Minnehaha Avenue East.
Well, I think
Strike two.
just gonna do a traffic stop on this guy. Really, it's hard to keep up with, man.
320. Copy.
But he is headed towards St. Thomas.
Triple one. GOA. Send me in 121 pending.
Why did he do that? Is there a dog in the street or something, or what?
327.
Well, I think we gotta take him.
Yeah, I was gonna
That was just a little weird, right?
Yeah.
Is he throwing something out of the car or what?
I don't know.
We both copy. Copy.
Well, I got an old light. We are going to have a conversation with this young man. You got a radio?
Yep.
Squad triple two. Squad triple two.
Here we go.
Go, go, go.
Here.
2755, 2410 north on Cretan from Ashland,
Cleveland.
or Cleveland rather. Gray Jeep Grand Cherokee FJD 146.
West of Marshall.
West on Marshall. We had him stopped on traffic, and as we approached the car, he fled. There he is.
That's him.
Happy West on Marshall, I do
We're going to Minneapolis.
Looks like he's headed for Minneapolis. Request assistance with sticks and state if they're available. Lights off.
Where'd he go?
He's on the bridge. He's on the bridge.
I gotta watch traffic. You just keep telling me where he is.
He's crossing the bridge now into Minneapolis. Looks like his lights went off.
Well.
Happy West Minneapolis, lights are off.
He had to have turned. He had to have turned on River Road.
Which way?
Right. Try right.
That ain't gonna work.
Not right. Maybe left.
No, let's go right. the other right.
Okay, he had to have turned on River Road.
I don't know if it does it look right.
Clear.
Copy, turn on the north. St. Paul, Saskatchewan, Elkhart 1.
I think we're out of it.
For a Gold Chief Grand Cherokee that was
Oh my goodness.
All right, 2755. We no longer have it in sight. We're terminating this info to squads. Pass the information on to Minneapolis, please.
Well, at least we had the plate.
Copy, no longer have sight, terminating.
Let's ask them.
Did you see a car come by here flying fast or not? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Normally they would go another block before they turn there in South Minneapolis because this road is tough to navigate.